This Bitcoin. I came in early today. I found that it made a low here, and the previous day low is right here, and also the London low is right here. So I put my buy limit here, down here. Actually, it's down here. Knowing that, but no, it's gonna take me out anyways. It's gonna take me out. We actually gonna trade back. Once this one take me out, let's put a, wanna put a buy sell limit here. There's a sell limit. Oh, okay. So it took me out, but at the same time, I would made a profit. Now we put a sell limit here. We are in a sell. The reason we are in the sell right now because the target is actually down here. This is the target down here. The reason I buy here, I knew that it was gonna retest this large candle and it's gonna pull back. So we're gonna ride this one with a big good boys all the way down. So we'll put our stop. I'll put here. Let's put our stop there, but we can actually put here, and then our take profit. I think it's all the way down here. Let's go to 5 minutes. Yeah, we'll put our profit down here, all the way down here. See, we are already in profit. Okay. Let me. So when you understand this market, you know you can play both ways. You can buy, you can also sell. That's exactly what I did. I bought. I was $300 in profit. Now I'm selling. About 200 profit. But I know that we are going to go even more. You see. It's gonna get some little rejection here, but at the end, it is going to go to the TP down here. So we're looking at a 5-minute candle. The reason I'm doing that because of this, we have this rejection. This was of Asian. This was the Asian low. So it's most likely gonna test the Asian low. It's gonna grab this wick here in the Asian low, and it's going to come back from there, or it can spend some time there. It might spend some time there on this Asian low. I like to put it just in the middle, or sometimes towards the end. So it's going back. Okay, it's gonna grab this end here. It's probably gonna come down again. But that is, oh my god. Okay. Yeah, that is the market. It's very, very unpredictable. Okay, I think we're gonna get top out. I feel like moving my stop loss here. This is not a good place for us to be. 2 minutes. Yeah, man, this is a very large candle. There's no way to come back here. I mean, well, I guess it was trying to grab the previous day low. Maybe it's already broken here. It's gonna tap me out. So it's gonna tap me out. Wow, the market can do whatever you want to do. You know, you cannot control it. My initial was that it was probably going to tap this liquidity here. I know it's most likely going to come back there before it can reverse it. But this TP I was looking for 2 to 1. Most likely I'm gonna get top out before it can come back. Let's wait. Let's wait. Yeah, I'm gonna get top out. Like I said, this is a very large candle. So we took out this high. Now next high is here. This is my stop loss is. If we move our stop loss here, it's most likely won't take it out, but that's also gonna increase our risk. Let me calculate here to here. That is another 130 points. So if we were to move up there, how much more risk will accumulate? It's gonna be 1 to 1. Yeah, 900 to 1. But if we're gonna get top out, that's okay. Let me come back to here. That was my initial calculation. I'm gonna clean this a little bit. This is the sessions, New York. This is London. This is New York just started. So now what it does now is gonna come to this AMA and probably just push back there. But let's see. They say the time frame is the bigger time frame is the master. So the bigger time frame is our work. Oh my god, I didn't know my camera was blurry. So we're gonna hold this straight. Okay, we are coming back. Now at this point, just wanna breathe. And this is the hardest part of the market when you are in the trenches. This is the trenches, the market moves against you. I wanna relax, breathe. So this is I'm playing a challenge, the BTC challenge, which the trading fuel. As you can see down here, there's some numbers here. So I was already down by 5K. Okay, I think we might be making it. If it closes below this line, we should celebrate. If it closes below this candle here, we could celebrate. By the way, this was in profit. This was in profit. The one we just took when I started recording the video. Now we can move our stop loss here because let's wait. But this is closest to the downside, so we are actually clear to move our stop loss here because we don't want to lose more than, move our stop loss to here. Okay, the reason being because this candles already shows us that the market intend to go down. So why wait until it turns against you again and lose even more? Yeah, so patience is everything, as you can see. You were almost got taken out from here, but now it seems like we're turning back to our original plan, which is to grab the Asian high, the Asian low from the previous day. So this is the Asian low which we're trying to target, which I think is going to grab it. It's a lot of wicks here. Okay, okay. We are at the break even. Not yet. Now, if it breaks this candle here, it means it doesn't want to move down. But let's follow the process. Now, to focus on the process. Okay, you count it from here, and then yeah, well, the market wanna play balls. The market playing balls. It is turning around. Like I said, if it breaks this line, it's gonna grab this one too, then it's gonna be out. If you break this line, and then it's gonna go here. Let's wait. Let us wait. Trading, it is a waiting game. Trading is a waiting game. Let us wait. By the way, today is Sunday morning. It's too early in the morning. As you know, Bitcoin opens 24 hours, so you can trade on Sundays too. Yeah, so it is going to be a losing trade. See, we see some rejection from this candle. If it goes through, so we will be most likely will be taken out. Can we 5 minutes? So let's try to test this candle. That's 40%. Yeah, it's more than 50%. Yeah, it is passing that line of 50%. Yeah. Shoo. The sellers need to come back. The sellers needs to step back in. Now we're waiting if this line is broken, so the market will actually be going up. Oh yeah, it's broke. Not yet. There, it's broken. So the next target is this. We're gonna be tapped out. We will be tapped out, but that's okay, because instead of us waiting to be tapped out from here, we move down here, because we know that when this market takes this high, it most likely gonna aim for this one here. Okay, and then the next and the next. So it looks like the market doesn't want to go to Asian low. Okay, let's just watch it. Okay. Yeah, you can almost stop the losing trade, and this is one of those trades, because you see this rejection from here, and then this candle here was broken, and now just gonna aim for this high, and it's gonna take us out. It's gonna take us out, and some people would go long from here. So I guess the aim of the market was to grab the daily high. That's the previous day low. I mean, okay. Some magics are happening. Okay. Okay, we are talking. So actually, the sellers are angry. The sellers are angry. They are coming back. They're coming back. They really want to grab the sellers want to grab the Asian low. They want to grab the Asian low here. So this week here, liquidity. They want to grab this liquidity here. This will also grab, and this causes this market to push, go back. So know that every time the market grabs the previous high or whatever, it always push back, because the reason why it is the previous high is because it means there are sellers there or there are buyers there. So there's always going to be friction when whenever the market goes to that line or to that level, there will always be some sort of friction. So that's why there's a little struggle here because of this previous low from yesterday. This was created today. We already cashed in for the rejection from here. This was just a little scalp that I took, but I do know that my long-term position was to hold down a sales position to this Asian low. Of course, I was also waiting for this previous day low, but when I came to the market, it was already moving. So I came at this market around this time, and I came and I saw this accumulation here. And then given the higher time frame here, the market was bearish. So I have a conviction that this accumulation was going to break on the downside, and so I waited for it. I waited for it, and then once it breaks down, I knew that it was going to test this high before it can actually continue down. So that's why I decided to put my buy order here, and once tap on it, it pulls back with some I don't know how many pips was that here. I don't know if we can measure it. So I cash in about 280 or 29, about 29 pips. Okay, so like I said, there's a lot of rejection from this previous day low. Most likely the market doesn't want to go down. It tapped it 1, 2, 3. So it's tap it 3 times. It every time pushes back. Earlier here, so we could bring our stop loss here, but this is also a huge candle, just like we see earlier, and it wicks all the way down here, which is grabbing this liquidity here, and it got rejected. So this also will try to break this line here and probably aim for that and takes it out, but we'll keep holding it. Let's keep holding it for a little while and see what will happen. Now we went profit here, but our target was not hit. That's why the reason we didn't take anything out or even plan to close it, because I want to follow my plans. Yeah, it's a lot of rejection there. Lot. As you can see in 5 minutes, it's a lot of wicks. It means that the market is really struggling. It's struggling, man. That's a huge wick here. That's a very huge wick there. So okay, it's breaking it. Okay, now this time around we're gonna get tap out. Okay, we're gonna get tap out. I'm gonna tap out. there needs to be some really a little push, high push to the downside, but we're not going to get it. We are not going to get it because this market gonna grab this wicks here, and then it's probably gonna push down and continue to the Asian low. You know, sometimes the market needs room to breathe. The reason it does not continue here, it needs to grab the liquidity, all this liquidity, then to continue down. And our stop loss is really at this wicks here. This liquidity sitting there, unfilled liquidity sitting there. So the market want to grab it, and it's going to continue down. We could move our stop loss back here, but that means like breaking our rules. So let's not do that. It's better we get taken out than trying to make money a different way. If we get tapped out, I don't think there will be another entry any. So it's accumulating. Some people say the market is some accumulating here. If we get tapped out, the chances of entering, no, I don't think it's there. We'll have to wait until it crosses here, but that's probably for the next day or so. So yeah. We are going to be tapped out. Yeah, I'm gonna get tapped out. I'm gonna get tapped out in one. Okay, we tap out. All right. Come on. I can get out of this. We are not getting out of this. I know this was really a long week. When I saw this long week, yeah, we're getting tapped out. We're gonna get tapped out, and most likely grabbing this wick. The market gonna come back a little bit, and it's gonna continue going up. So here the previous day low, yeah, we tap out. We are tapped out, so we are tapped out. That was $200 loss, which is kind of okay because after tapping this out, the market gonna push down a little bit, and then it's most likely gonna continue to this high. It's gonna hunt this high here. Okay, we're not entering. We could enter here for long, but let's focus on following the process. We decided to be a sellers today because we saw that the market was trying to get this Asian low, but we see it's kind of struggling a little bit to get there. We could have gotten profit if we were in a hurry. I say we made about half of the profit already. I didn't use my 30. I did not use my 30 pips rule. I could have taken something from here, and then we'll be in some profit. But my ultimate goal was to follow my process to the teeth and see what happened. Okay, that's it, ladies and gentlemen. This is the strategy, or this is the plan. You got to stick to your plan, stick to your strategy, and see if it plays out or not. So this wasn't bad. My execution, I stayed on my plan. I followed my execution. I followed my process. The market just didn't want to play along, and that is fine. But for today, I am done for today. Well, my first trade was a winner, and the second one is a loser. Although the second one I was aiming a little more high. That is the reason, I guess. And I didn't use my 30 pips rule. But all in all, I like the trade. I followed my rules, and that's what you want to do in this market. So thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.